Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I'm talking about the Winklink coin friends. Absolutely, I know at this time the Winklink coin is a bad time, but that's not mean that you decide to sell Winklink coin. If you are a holder of Winklink coin, so keep watch this video. This video is very important for all of you because in this video I will show you the latest news, the latest update of the Winklink coin friends. Anyways, before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. So friends, let's start the video friends and let's move on. The currently at this time price of the Wink in the market is 0.00883 USD dollar friends. I know at this time the price of the Wink coin is going down day by day, minute by minute, hour by hour friends. And a lot of holders also doing this mistake that they decide to sell Winklink coin because they have no idea to take a jump at this time. As you can see here, no one, anyone, the whole changes occur in the Wincoin the last 1 hour, last 1 day, the last 1 week. The whole changes occur in the Wincoin as negative friends. So that's mean that the price of the Wincoin is going down day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute friends. Let's see my price, the price chart of the Wincoin for more details friends. As you can see here, if you look the last term, that is the last 1 day price chart. So the last 1 day price since occur is negative 2.53% and the high price is 0.0093 USD dollar friends. If you look the last 4 hour price chart of the Wincoin, I know the previous time change occur in the Wincoin is negative, but that is the latest 4 hour price chart of the Wincoin. As you can see here, the price since occur is positive 2.72% positive and the highest price is going upward friends. So that's mean that this time the Wincoin start moving upward. That is the latest update of the Wincoin, and I want to congratulate all of Wincoin holders that once again the Wincoin start jumping, and I hope that Wincoin continue this kind of jump throughout this whole 2021 friends. That is why my suggestion, my recommendation for all of Winklink holders says that please, it's time to hold Winklink coin. That's just the beginning of the Winklink coin. Absolutely, if you decide to sell Wincoin at this time on this price, so absolutely you are in the loss. And if you hold it for 1 month, so absolutely I think maybe you get some profit from the Winklink coin in the futures. So what's your opinion and how do you feel about Wincoin today? Please tell me in the comment box. My personal prediction about Winklink coin is 90% positive because it's also every cryptocurrency is fast down for a little time. So maybe they fast down in the future, but a lot of chances to they move upward friends. Anyways, what's your opinion? Share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe if you stay channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.